What we have here is a car that's sat too long waiting to be worked on, and it has a dead battery. So, battery charger. This is like a trickle charger, maintainer charger. The battery for this car is up underneath the driver's tire. Like an impossible area to get to, but they designed the car with a spot that you can hook up cables to, so we'll get the charger hooked up there. Extension cord for power. Okay, first off, your negative cable, you hook up to your negative battery cable. This car helps the people that don't know. It tells you this is your negative. Negative is usually black. Red is positive. Car tells you this is positive. Jump start attachment. You know, it's really helping the clueless. So you hook the red up to the red, the black up to the black. You take your extension cord and you plug in your battery charger. Then you say, what kind of lights do we have here? And it's so bright outside we really can't tell. Looks, all I see is red stuff over here, so that must mean that it's charging. So, to hide from the criminal element, you put your battery charger inside your hood. And then you close your hood. And you let it charge up. Being that, like I said, this is a trickle charger, so it can go for hours. Bada bing, bada bang.